Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming hardware and quick settings so you don't chase phantom issues. Open Action Center and make sure Wi-Fi is toggled on. Some laptops use a physical switch or FN key, flip it if present. Next, press Windows plus X and open Device Manager to inspect network adapters. You want to see a wireless adapter listed. If it's missing or shows a warning icon, make note. That determines whether you update drivers or reset software next. Once done with basic checks, focus on the driver and adapter state. If the adapter is visible but problematic, right-click and choose Update Driver, let Windows search automatically, or pick a downloaded driver from the manufacturer. If updates fail, uninstall the adapter and reboot so Windows reinstalls it. Also open Network Connections and enable the Wi-Fi adapter if disabled. If uncertainty remains, run the built-in Network Troubleshooter. It diagnoses conflicts and suggests fixes you can apply immediately. Finish by resetting network stack to clear stubborn configuration errors. Go to Settings Right Arrow Network and Internet Right Arrow Status and choose Network Reset. This reinstalls adapters and clears DNS and TCP/IP settings. Once complete, restart your laptop and power cycle the router. Unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in. Make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi networks now appear. If the adapter still fails to show, check BIOS to ensure wireless is enabled. And if needed, contact the laptop maker for hardware diagnostics as one troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.